Hi friends, space never runs out of surprises. Just when we think we have seen it all, the universe shows us something stranger. From invisible forces pulling galaxies to the planets made up of diamond. Here are 10 more fascinating facts about space you never heard it before. Do you know there is a mysterious force in the space called the Great Attractor? It is pulling our Milky Way galaxy along with thousands of other galaxies towards it. The strange part is we can't see it clearly because the stars and dust of our own galaxy block the view. It is like a magnet hidden under a thick carpet. You can feel the pull, but can't see the source. Close to a black hole, gravity is so strong that time itself bends. If you were near the edge, time for you would move slower than for the people on Earth. Imagine a cricket batsman running in slow motion while the fielders move at normal speed. That's how time behaves near a black hole. We think all the planets orbits around the star, but the answer is no. Not all the planets orbits around the star. Some are wandering alone in the dark called rogue planets. Scientists think there could be a billions of these lonely worlds. It is like a child's kite that's lost its string, no longer tied to its owner, just floating wherever the wind takes it. We have seen the oceans in our life, either real or with the help of photos. But if you had a giant ocean is big enough, because Saturn would float in it. Yes, Saturn planet would float in it. That is because it is mostly made up of light gases like hydrogen. Think of a football field with air compared to a stone. Saturn is that football of the solar system. We know there are 8 planets in our solar system. Beyond Neptune, there is a belt called Kuiper belt. This belt filled with icy objects like Pluto. Even beyond that, there is a huge icy cloud. Scientists call it as Oort cloud. It may hold trillions of comets and could reach halfway to the nearest stars. Imagine Earth surrounded by a freezer filled with giant blocks of ice. In space, no one can hear your shout because sound needs air to move, and space is empty. Astronauts talk using radios inside their helmets. It is like standing in underwater. No matter how loud you shout, no one outside the water can hear your voice. Astronomers found a star that spins 716 times every second. That is faster than the blades of a kitchen fan running on high speed. Just imagine your ceiling fan but spinning hundreds of times faster without breaking. That's how extreme these stars are. There is a planet in the space called 55 Cancri E. It may have so much carbon that it turns into giant layers of diamond. Think of a whole planet shining like a jewelry. If Earth is a jewelry, we would all be living inside the biggest jewelry store in our solar system. The Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda galaxies are moving closer to each other. In about 4 to 5 billion years, they will join into one huge galaxy. But don't worry, stars are so widely spread out that almost no star will crash. It is like two groups of birds flying into each other in the sky, but hardly any actually bumping. The part of the universe we can see is about 93 billion light years wide. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, around 9.5 trillion kilometers. To imagine this, think of Earth's distance from the Sun. It is 150 million kilometers. A light year is about 63,000 times faster than that distance, and we are talking 93 billion of those stacked across the universe. From diamond planets to galaxies on a slow motion crash course, the universe is full of wonders, and every answer only brings more questions. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, hit a like button. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Galaxora for more cosmic journeys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.